Hi, in this video, you will learn how to set up a vulnerable web application on Kali Linux. We'll be using something called the OWASP JuShop. So what exactly is this? It's actually a modern and sophisticated insecure web application that could be used for various things, such as for aspiring ethical hackers and penetration testers to improve their skill set, gain better awareness, and even perform security training. To get started with setting up the OWASP JuShop, we need to install Docker, and then we will pull down the Docker repository for the OWASP JuShop. So let's get started. Let's open a terminal, and like so, let's do sudo apt update, hit enter, then enter your Kali Linux password like so. Next, let's do sudo apt install docker.io-y. Using the -y, it simply allows us to automatically say yes during the installation. At the moment, we can see that Docker is already installed. So let's start the Docker service. Let's do sudo system ctl start Docker. I spelled systemctl incorrectly. Let me fix this. Great. Next, let's use this command, which will pull down the OWASP JuShop Docker repository. Hit enter. This will take a few moments to complete. Great. Last but not least, to run this Docker repo, simply execute the following command like so. Actually, I pasted the wrong command. I've actually replicated the previous command. Therefore, we should be using sudo docker run --rm-p 3000:3000 followed by the name of the actual repo. I'll copy this for simplicity and hit enter. Great. So you could see the service is actually listed on port 3000. So if I open my web browser and I go to a new tab, I type http:// the loopback IP address, which is 127.0.0.1:3000, and hit enter. We now have access to the OWASP JuShop running directly on Kali Linux. Keep in mind, if you stop the service, like so, you will not be able to access the web application. And if you reboot Kali Linux, Docker will not automatically be running. So therefore, if you want to run Docker, you need to use this command, which is sudo systemctl start docker. Once you executed that command, then you run this other command, which is sudo docker run --rm-p 3000:3000 followed by the name of the repo that we are running locally. During this video, you have learned how to install and set up OWASP JuShop as a Docker container on Kali Linux. I hope this video has been informative for you, and I will see you in the next one.